Hi everybody, Naturalist Linda here. Welcome to Amphibian Awakening Part 2. Our next group of singers are in full chorus tonight, the American Toad. And I've got one in my hand right here. And this is a male, and I'm going to see if I can make him sing just for a second here. Maybe not. Anyway, it's hard to tell males and females apart, even for the toads. So the males have a little signal that they give if they get approached by another male. And it's just a little chirp, and then sometimes if you put your hand over them, you can get them to do it. But anyway, so this is our American toad. They live mostly on the land, except because they're amphibians, they have to go back to water in order to lay their eggs. And that's what all of the males are doing now. They're singing to attract girlfriends. So Dottie's behind the camera over there, so should we let it go?
So I think you probably can't hear that American toad over all the other toads here, and the spring peeper that's part of the chorus in the background. That spring peeper, you remember Amphibian Awakening Part 1, you saw the spring peepers, and they're still singing, even though they're joining the chorus with the toad.
Yeah, if you can tell, it's pretty loud out here right now.
Naturalist Dottie here, standing out in the water where these toads are that Linda was showing you. And I just wanted to tell you that habitat for toads is a little less discriminating than it might be for things like the salamanders we showed you in episode 1 of Amphibian Awakening, or the wood frogs. Toads just pick any place where there's water. It might be a puddle in your front yard or in your driveway, or it might be a slow-moving part of a stream, or the wetlands around a river. They don't care. The toads sometimes pick puddles in the hoof tracks in my paddock. They really don't care where, as long as there's some water. And they lay their eggs, and a lot of times those puddles dry up. So toads are pretty indiscriminate about places, but this is a good place. Throwing Meadows, this habitat that was created here, is a great wetland, and I'm kind of standing in shallow water that's going to stay here. And so these toads should produce a lot of tadpoles that are going to be coming out of these pools about the end of June. And then we can see all those little tiny toadlets all over the pavement. Don't step on any of them, because the end of June is about the time that all those little toadlets are about the size of my little pinky nail. So we're going to go out and see if we can find some toads actually singing in the water for you, so that you can see them out there. Alrighty, thanks.